Hi, Deirdre Macnamara here again from Letterkenny IT. This is the second video in Microsoft Access. In the first video we saw how to create tables and we'll just create another one now. So let's click on Create and Table, and I'm going to do it in Design View. So I'm going to click on this button here, and in here we're going to have order number and the data type. In this case we want to use auto number, and automatically it'll be numbered 1, 2, 3 for me. Now this is also our primary key, so we're going to set the primary key up here, and you can see there's a key against it here. The second field we have is date, and in here the data type, and in here we'll put in date and time. And we can say what the format of that date will be, and we'll say it'll be a short date. We can put it in as. The next field I have is pizza type. Okay, and it is short text, and that's fine. And now I'm going to save this table. It'll ask me to name it. Again, at the moment it's called Table 1, and we'll call it Orders Table. And OK. And we'll move over to Data Sheet View. We don't have to type in this one here because automatically a number will go in for us. So I'm going to press Tab on my keyboard and put in the different details. So I've typed in all the details into the table. So we've got the dates and we've got the pizza types. So I'm going to close down this table now. I'm going to click the X in there, and I'd like to create a relationship between my pizza orders table and my pizza details table, which we created in the first video. So we're going to move over to Database Tools, which is located up here. So we click on Database Tools, and then we're going to click on Relationships. So I'm going to click on Relationships. Now we need to be able to see both of these tables here. So we click on the Show Table button. Sometimes it comes up automatically. I'm going to click on Pizza Details and Add. I'm going to click on Pizza Orders and Add. And then I'm finished with this screen here, so I'm going to hit Close. So you'll notice that pizza type over here is a primary key, and you can see the key, and order number is the primary key in this table because you can see the key. But you'll notice that there's a pizza type in the pizza orders table as well, but there's no primary key over here. Now normally when you're creating relationships, you're dragging from, or you're creating a relationship between something that is a primary key in one table to something that isn't a primary key but has the same name in another table. So what we're going to do is we're going to click and drag pizza type across with the tip of your mouse onto pizza type over here and let go. Now you know it worked because you have pizza type here from the pizza details table, and you have pizza type here from the pizza orders table. Now to make sure that you can't place an order for a pizza that doesn't exist, you click on Enforce Referential Integrity, and we'll click on Create. Now you'll notice there's a black line connecting the two tables. There's a 1 on this side, which means that a pizza type will only appear once in this table, but it could appear many times in this table. So that's our relationship created, and we'll click Close. Do we want to save the view? We do, so we'll say yes. Now let's see how that works. If I come in here to pizza orders and I change ham to ham strong, okay, and I try and move down, it says you cannot because a related record is required in the pizza details table. We're in the pizza orders table at the moment, but you have a connection between the pizza orders table and the pizza details table, and you can only put things in here that exist in the pizza details table. So we click on OK, and we get rid of that, and it's quite happy. We can change them. So for example, I could make that ham, and that's okay because ham exists in the pizza details table in the relationship we've created. Okay, that's the end of this video.